movies, I mean for movies. So yeah, as long as happy si David sa material, we're ready and willing to produce films for him.
Sa happy kayo.
Well, we have a good relation. I have a good relationship naman with GMA and Sparkle, and of course with Viva. That's why he's here, no? With the consent naman ito ng Sparkle. And to do a film, if his digital series will become successful, siguro madali ng pag-usapan to do a film soon that we always collaborate naman with Viva and also with Sparkle or GMA7. And it is gonna be a big film if ever magkaroon ng decision ng three companies.
Thank you, at least coming from the horse's mouth. Lastly, my question kay David. David kasi, I don't know if you're aware, ang Viva One, that's the #1 streaming platform, of course, with Viva. I think it's not just with Viva, but all over, no? Namumuna kasi sa kanila yung mga love teams. Nagkaroon ka ng ka-love team sa, with Barbie, sa GMA. In this case pa, kung meron na bang material na gagawin ka, na meron kang kapareha or ka-love team, or does it matter to you, or you wanted to be an independent artist lang na to work with different leading ladies?
For me naman, whatever works. Diba? Kung mag-work yung partnership ko with a certain actress, then I'll be okay with that na magkaroon ulit ng isa pang project with her. Diba? So, ako naman, kahit sino naman, I'm okay.
Alright, ngayon pa lang, congratulations, thank you.
Thank you so much. To ask her up next, let's have from GMA Entertainment, Maris Alamo.
Hello, David. Grabe. Na-mention na rin yung mga partnership with other actresses, no? Pero kung ikaw, paano mo gustong makilala ka, or how would you describe yourself as a leading man?
I guess, versatile. Diba? Ako naman gusto ko lang na mag-improve sa every project na I'm part of. So if the people think na I did a good job in this show, then I'll be happy with that.
Not sure kung pwede nang i-announce yung series na gagawin mo is Park Soldiers. Ano ba? Fight for my way. Tama ba? Or meron na bang project na gagawin na?
Hindi ko pa sure actually.
Pero since na-mention mo,
Bawal mag-announce.
since na-mention mo na gusto mong gawin, sana i-take mo, diba?
Baka yun.
Sobrang gusto mo ba yung matipon ng mga Park Soldier series, ganyan?
Yeah, oo. Ang lakas kasi ng dating ni Park Seo-joon. Tsaka, ang galing ng actor, parang I feel like sa lahat ng mga series na ginagampanan niya, iba-iba talaga yung lumalabas. So, actually, siya yung idol ko ng Korean actor.
So, among his series, yun yung pinaka-paborito mo, i-take?
Itaewon Class talaga. Kasi, yun nga, parang, yung kwento kasi nun, parang siyang nagsimula from nothing to something, to decide, to everything, di ba? Through hard work, through persistence, and nasa resto ng persistence siya. So I feel like medyo parehas kami ng life story in a sense. Kaya gusto ko yung teleserye niya.
So, may pala ako kasi recently sobrang sinaselebrate ng mga tao yung ina-achieve mo sa Hyrox.
Yeah.
Top Filipino participant dun sa recent Hyrox. No? Gano'n ba ka-serious dun sa sports na yun? And talaga bang every time na sumasali ka, gusto mo i-achieve yung ikaw yung magiging top?
Yeah, super serious actually. Like, I work out twice a day. My nutrition is on point. Very scientific yung workouts ko. Thankful ako sa trainer ko si Miguel Aitona. So, yeah, the goal is to qualify sa World Championship ng high. So, ang dami kong gustong gawin actually. And hopefully maging part siya ng SEA Games and I get to represent the Philippines. So yun yung goal.
Ano nang next, Kairos? Ano?
Next week actually, I'm flying to Thailand. So, right now kasi I think number 2 ako sa Philippines. Na-beat yung record ko nung si Gab Rosario, yung coach. So, yun yung goal ko this time is to beat his record. So, maglalaban kami doon. Tingnan natin kung sino mas malakas.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Up next, let's have from Radar PH, Kiko Espador.
Hello po. Hi, David.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Na-mention mo kanina na you want to be known as a versatile actor, leading man.
Yes.
Pero, would you consider yourself as a professional actor?
Professional, but hindi.
Professional. How do you describe being professional?
Professional. Ang understanding